So guys, I tell and share the important rules of virtual data rooms. Dagi virtual data rooms was thus the virtual data rooms in international platform at now. This most important for US and every other countries. It's everything we needed to know how about data rooms are important, how to work, the use cases, and how to choose the right media provider start it. So guys, I tell the first solutions. What is a virtual data room? Virtual data rooms are secure online responsors where business can store it, share and manage their critical data. Whether you can conduct due diligence for an MA transformations, writing found for your startup, simply organization here, companies, property information, sensitive data is at stocks. As the value of this data grows, securing confidently information becomes more category. Virtual data, virtual data, virtual data, virtual data. Virtual data is American virtual data spreading for scientific people, the development people or undergrounding and development people, or very most of poor people we are learning at now Harvard virtual data rooms. So guys, I share the two statement. Here is our virtual data room was. Virtual data room was. Oh, going fast. No. Yes. Yes. Digify data rooms is a great option for business and organizations seeking a secure USER user friendly platform for confidently document sharing, collaborations and information controlled. A long time ago, one day they were leaving the American Prime Minister Barack Obama. He was told an important hearings for every people in US had talking past the unity here of virtual data room, Dagi data. He want us to robusted security features. Then he was told, but I was logistics thanks for the Dagustian data. Data is the most of fertilizers for farmers we are production in worldwide data. Data is most very important food in Ashar Sravon. Growth in Bangladesh. Data. Digify data rooms offers diverse security features, a user-friendly interest, and the granular control over document access, and additionally accelerating such as dynamics, watermaking, and comprehensive statements. So guys, I was slow in terminating now the dramatical variety of ordinate courts, Bangladesh banks, and the international parliament. He was declared the climatologist and the African nations brought and fighting the development of our people. The basic information they cannot be shared to here, and the many information they share our learnings to virtual data rooms. Data are not a fact. Data is very important product. We are unsure attention and codely base and asset security. Jackie protests documents security with the features like observations, dynamics, watermarkings, and scoring schedule. All files are unexportable weights as 256 envelopment and encryptions. Our AWS hostings infrastructure is certified for ISO 27001. ISO shows that repealed all POPs, PCI, DSS, Level 1, and many more. This manufacturer ensure that confidently information remains protect and accessible only the authorities invited. Reduce the risk of data versus were strong sharing. Thank you very much. Okay.